Namaskaram. Let's start with the first chapter, the Indian Tala system. One among the important feature of Indian music is its Tala system. The famous saying, Shruti Mata, Laya Pita. Shruti is the mother and Laya is the father, accentuate the importance of singing to accurate pitch and accurate timing. Adhering to correct pitch and laya are two of the prerequisites of all good systems of music. Indian music has a highly evolved system of tala. Our musicologists of various periods have made intense research in every minute aspects of rhythm as to how the tala is reckoned, the constituent angas or parts of the talam, the different speed in which a song can be sung, and so on. In Carnatic music, we have the basic 7 talas, which are Dhruvam, Madhyam, Rupakam, Jhampa, Triputa, Ata, and Eka. These 7 talas can be expanded to 35 and further into 175 talas. In addition to these, there existed a system of 108 talams also. Indian music can also boast of possessing the longest talas in the world. Some of its talas are as long as 128 counts. All these are the result of the genius of man in discovering new permutations and combinations of tala angas. The Western music has only a few time measures. Raga, Tala, Shruti are the most important aspects of Indian music. The performers concord between these will make the music enjoyable both emotionally and intellectually. Such music will have what is known as Ranjakatva. Shad Angas, the 6 methods of putting talam. In Indian music system, there exists a vast number of talas, each with a specific name, angam, and mode of reckoning. These talas are basically made up of 6 angas, the 6 angas which have been devised for the accurate method of reckoning musical time is known as Shad Angas. They are Anadrudam, Drutam, Laghu, Guru, Plutam, and Kakapadam. Of these, the last 3 angas figure in the scheme of 108 talas and in the Tirupugar hymns of Arunagirinathar. The following table gives a clear picture about the symbols, duration, akshara and mode of reckoning or kriya of the Shad Angas. Now let's move on to the Shuladi Saptatalams or the basic 7 talas of Indian Carnatic music. The names are Dhruvam, Madhyam, Rupakam, Jhampa, Triputa, Ata, and Eka. In Dhruva Talam we have a Laghu, Drudam, Laghu, Laghu, Madhya Talam, Laghu, Drudam, Laghu, Rupaka Talam, Drudam, Laghu, Jhampa Talam, Laghu, Anadrudam, Drudam, Triputa Talam, Laghu, Drudam, Drudam, Adatalam, Laghu, Laghu, Drudam, Drudam, and Ekatalam, a single Laghu. Above 7 talams will become 35 talams owing to the 5 varieties or jatis, the Panja jatis of Laghu. The variety of Laghu are Tisram 3, Chaturasram 4, Ghandam 5, Misram 7, Sankirnam 9. Thus, for example, similarly, all talams can be extended into 5 talams. In this way, we will be able to get the 35 talams. It must be noted that only Laghu has 5 varieties and not Dhrutam or Anadhrutam. The 35 talas are called the Shuladi talams. It is interesting to know that the 35 talas can also become 175 talams due to the 5 varieties of Gati Bhedam. Again, Tisra Gati, 3 aksharas tak kitta, Chaturasra Gati, 4 aksharas tak dhimmi, Khanda Gati, 5 aksharas tak kitta, Misra Gati, 7 aksharas tak kitta tak dhimmi, Sankirna Gati, 9 aksharas tak dhimmi tak kitta. Gati applies not only to Laghu but also to Dhrutam and Anadhrutam. Thus, for example, if we take Tisra Jati Dhruva Talam, it will be extended into Tisra Jati, Tisra Gati Dhruva Talam. That is 11 into 3, that becomes 33. Tisra Jati Chaturasra Gati Dhruva Talam becomes 11 into 4, 44. Tisra Jadi Khanda Gati Dhruva Talam 11 into 5, 55. Tisra Jati Misra Gati Dhruva Talam becomes 11 into 7, 77. Tisra Jati Sankirna Gati Dhruva Talam becomes 11 into 9, 99. So totally we can make variations from the 7 talas into 5 jatis, that becomes 35. Again, that 35 talas into 5 gatis, that will give you 175 talas. Thus, each one of the 35 talams become 5 more talams. So total we have 175 tala systems.